All right, y'all, back with another super clean classic 1997 Chevrolet Yukon. As you can see, it's the two-door. This thing is super clean, so stay tuned. We'll go ahead and do the test drive, take you all around her, show you all the good stuff. Let's get into it. So like I said, we got 97 man, I keep wanting to say Yukon, but it's a Tahoe, two-door Tahoe. This thing is super clean. We'll go ahead and get around it. We got newer tires. Paint and body look immaculate. You'll see as we move down, I won't have too many like dents or dings to point out by any means at all. Give you a view of the roof with the luggage rack. Moving down the passenger side, again, everything appears to be pretty straight. No dents, no cracks in the body anywhere. And then as we look down the side, she looks pretty straight. Glass is solid, no cracks there or anything like that. Coming around the rear area, same thing, glass is solid. Tailgate, no dents or anything to point out. And bumper looks beautiful. Chrome is good, no rust, no dents. Looking down the driver's side, same thing. Like I said, immaculate condition, no dents, nothing to point out there. We'll keep moving around. Few little paint chips along the edge of the door, which is normal. Of course, you know, people opening doors, sometimes they catch on things, sometimes paint rubs off, but nothing crazy. Trim around the wheel wells looks excellent as well, and then you'll see once we get it on the rack, underneath it's solid. Glass is good. I don't see any major rock chips, no cracks. Glass looks good. And then coming down the hood, no rock chips, nothing to point out there, no dents on the hood, and as you saw when we went around the car, no deep scratches. Headlights look brand new, as well as the actual front grille. Bumper looks good as well. Chrome looks nice and solid. No rust and no pitting to point out. Let me go ahead and pop the hood. Very clean up under here. AC blows ice cold. As you can tell, it's been well maintained. Let's get to the rear area. I didn't pop the door. Let's see. Thought the rear hatch was already popped from earlier. Pop the rear hatch. Struts are still good on there. Drop this down. Super clean. Still got the original Tahoe books. Got the you know, the manufacturer paperwork that comes with it. Spare tire with the cover, and it's got a WeatherTech here to protect everything. So super clean in the back, and then you can see that headliner looks solid as well. Make sure that's closed. Yep. Actually, let me go on the passenger side. Obviously, exterior is beautiful on this car. Interior matches as well. It's almost flawless. You guys know when you have great cars, you know, over the years, it's hard to keep clean. But you can see passenger seat itself, beautiful. I'm sorry, rear seat, perfect condition. No rips, no tears, no stains. And again, a better view of that headliner. No sagging, no discoloration. Passenger seat, more the same. Looks brand new, nice and plush. Carpet is in excellent condition as well. And then check out that passenger door panel. No discoloration, no warping. And as we move along the dash, no cracks. And if you guys are familiar again with this, these years, the model years of this truck, that dash is notoriously known for cracking. So you can tell this one definitely has been properly maintained. And only 86,000 original miles. So you guys got to think this is almost a 30-year-old vehicle with less mileage than a lot of vehicles that came out in the last 5 years. Kind of shows how well maintained this car is. Seats are beautiful. We do have a little tiny hole right there. Other than that, beautiful condition on the console. Again, headliner. and finally driver door panel. So stay tuned, we'll get on this test. All right, y'all, we'll go ahead and get started on the test drive in the 97. Cold start, fire right up. Again, mileage reads 86,518. Left turn signal, right turn signal. Lights, they're also on, you can see them. Let's see, windshield wipers solid, horn good, AC blows cold, already had that on.
Military Ford.
Radio on. Let's see, windows. Go ahead and turn the AC back off. I think that's it, right? Yeah, let's go ahead and get her started. As you guys can hear, nice and quiet, no belt squealing, nothing loud, crazy from the motor at all. I know I say this every time we have one of these style of trucks, rather it's, you know, 95 to 2000, just somewhere in that range. These body on frame trucks, like, man, they just hold up so well over time, and they just remind you of, you know, how trucks started off, not meant to be super luxurious and baby, but just something that you can get in and ride and have the extra space in. This one feels good. Suspension, I'm not bouncing all over the road. I don't actually have any loud road noise from those tires, so that's a plus. The steering feels straight. Let me get on here, get her straight. Hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight. Steering wheel is cocked just a little bit. Actually, it might just had a little bit of play in it. It's still tracking straight, hands off the wheel. And that's about the play in it. So about what you expect. Speedometer is working. All the other gauges are working as well. Tank is full, doing about 35. Give her a little bit of gas. No issues shifting. Shifts are nice and smooth all the way through, up to about 40, 45 now. Again, no rattling. Suspension feels solid. It's just one of them trucks that was just taken care of. I know I keep saying that, but the more cars that we see, which, you know, you guys know, we see like 1,000 cars a year. You appreciate the ones that have been taken care of, and you can tell by how they drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back. I'm gonna get it under the rack so you guys can check out underneath on it. All right, got the 97 up on the rack, starting with the rear bumper. Again, bumper's pretty solid, no dents or anything that need to be pointed out. Getting under the car. This truck did come from Vegas, so it doesn't look like it came from the factory with any undercoating. So you got a little bit of surface rust, but more than anything, you got a lot of that sand and stuff kicked up in here. Suspension looks all stock. I don't see any changes at all. No leaks from the gas tank or anything. Frame actually looks like it's been coated, so that's a good job. Frame is nice and solid. I see no rust marks. I see no bends. She's nice and solid, straight all the way through. And then looking at the floor pans, no soft spots, no rust, nothing at all. She's solid and straight all the way through. Still got the factory cats on it. Gonna keep moving on up. Nothing there to write home about. All stock suspension, disc brakes up in the front. Drums in the rear. Yep. Just came off the test drive, so you see a little bit of water leaking. That's all it is. It's just water from when I ran up in there. You can see it on the tires as well. Obviously nothing would be leaking from the bumper anyway, but super solid underneath. Front bumper is nice and clean as well. No cracks, no dents that need to be pointed out. Coming around the passenger side, wheel wells look beautiful. Little tiny bit of surface rust underneath the door. Again, frame is perfect. This is really the highlight of this car. 30-year-old car with no bends, rust, or soft spots in the frame. Let's get over here to the driver's side. Again, a little bit of surface rust underneath, and that's just from, you know, rocks and sand kicking up from driving. Nothing crazy. No soft spots, no warping anywhere. All right, y'all, you interested in this 97? Make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, I appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.